I will show how to buy shares of Cassava Sciences Inc., ticker SAVA. Cassava Sciences is a clinical stage biotech focused on neuroscience and Alzheimer's research, listed on the NASDAQ as SAVA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy stock, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an ID document and to add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search and type the ticker SAVA to find Cassava Sciences. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for the correct company. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To buy, choose the Invest or Trade button and enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. Check the description for the platform link if you want to follow the same steps.